Welcome back to Darling Urdu channel. I am Imran. This is the channel where learning is easy and fun. Now today we will continue our journey by learning about the next letters Jim, J, Hen and Khe. My viewers, my students, in this video we will learn these four letters Jim, J, He and Khe. Urdu letters these Urdu letters Jim, Che, He and Khe, you can see they all look alike, but the placement of dots and the number of dots distinguish them. So first we start. So this is Jim, seventh letter. Jim is seventh letter of the Urdu alphabet, and it is used to produce or express J sound. And how can it write? How can you recognize it? Students, once we have finished learning all the letters of Urdu alphabet, we will start learning how to write them. Now I will explain briefly to help you understand and remember the shape of Jim, Che, and He and Khe. This will make it easier for you to recognize these letters correctly. So this is Jim, the 7 letters. How can you write it? How can you keep in your mind? You can see the basic structure of Jim, Che, He and Khe is the same. Basic structure is the same. And now this is Jim. How can you write? The upper part of Jim, you can see upper part of Jim is almost similar to the number 7. And second part or lower part is similar to this crescent like structure. This is crescent, new moon. This is crescent. And first begin with the upper part. Start by drawing a shape similar to the number 7. This will form upper part of Jim. And the second part or lower part, it is crescent like structure. You can see, put or write or draw this structure below 7 and place a dot also. You can see it has become Jim. The Jim is a combination of two shapes, 7 and crescent, and Jim has a dot inside the crescent like structure. This is Jim. This is Jim. Now this is 8th letter. This is Che. Che, it is used to produce che 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 sound. This is Che. It has 3 dots. 3 dots inside crescent like structure. 2 dots above and 1 dot underneath them. This is Che. Now next letter is He. This is 9th letter of the Urdu alphabet. He, it doesn't have any dot. Now this is He. This is used to produce kh sound. This is 10th letter and it has a dot above. You can place a dot above He. It will become Khe. You can see this is He and put a dot above here. It will become Khe. So my dear students, my viewers, you can see basic structure of Jim, Che, He and Khe is the same. And now you can see Jim, Che, He and Khe. All these letters have the same basic structure, and number of dots, placement of dots make the differences among these 4 letters. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning about the letters Jim, Che, He and Khe. Remember, practice makes perfect, so please keep writing and practicing these letters until you feel confident. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely and completely free for you. Okay, see you next video. Thank you very much.